Then presenter. Where you say you be what? You dey give the word of God and things on radio. Okay. I go by the name Flamboyant Lifestyle, aka Mankind, and I come your screen top again. This be celebrity Yawa. Well, Yawa body I ever can because you can one shall now I dream about so into your bed and you can because say then you can because it be what? It be Yawa. Make I talk you something. If you don't subscribe to the YouTube channel now, it be what? It be too much GH. Go subscribe so that any video where you will come up, you will be the first person where you will hear. Because video lady, you have more update. I did be a course to be our entertainment movie. We go make you know. So that anything there we go do no, you go know. You go be the first person where you go know. Okay, the one about said Sonibadu any Obinati. If you don't know Obinati, or you do more vision one. Or you be our more motivation. You dey give motivation, say Charlie, Obese or Danon to me, there more motivation am awada. Obese or Copeg and again on power, bit more motivation ama, obetima kwa shege fufuro. That be Obinati, or so can same. And as I say, I can't say much. You can't talk, show Sonibadu something. You can't do Sonibadu something. What you can't do Sonibadu no me can't show. You can't talk say. I did starting as Sonibadu go congratulate Kwame Eugene. You go congratulate Kwame Eugene say he make work for the award where he pick. The award where he pick you go congratulate her. Obi not there na that you bomb. I say now Kwame Eugene he be gospel artist. I Kwame Eugene I'm a gospel artist. That's what Obi Nate talk. Me, I don't want trouble. See what Obi Nate talk. He say, "Good morning, Osofu Bedu. Go and look for your sons who are struggling in the gospel industry and stop this unnecessary fame attachment. There no congratulations, my son, Kwame Eugene." Me, you know be me right too. Me, I get problem here day. I mean, myself does so say more your madi no. Hey, any, as much any. Okay. So you now, you can say, oh, one man who can't talk anything. One man who can't talk anything. Yawana. Sonibadu buy. You can't talk say. He Sonibadu no pen on myself. So he be ignorant person. If you ignorant person where you talk, so you know what taking advice, you know what taking what attention give him. That be what Sonibadu can talk for in page. I am an account. Who can the page I over the Ubun and some more kind so he did here. You know be me I talk. Okay, back to the matter. You Obi Nate. Sonibadu, if you gospel musician, we know. Say you gospel musician or too new and you're not too actually. I did be over here, the young no gospel to crana. So I won't pay me some crana that day now. I will pay me some. So you Obi Nate, what be your problem? You be in phone, you be in data. Where you say you go take congratulate everyone. If you go take congratulate someone halfway, you dey do something where the gospel no dey in Accra. It no be your matter. It no be your matter. They your lane make Sonibadu today in lane. But what? Obi Nate talk. Now I say that's how we move. Obi Nate no chase Onyansa brutal. Sa no be so chire. But Obeka say you Sonibadu your young stars are more we your friend say gospel music industry now. What promise am so be feature more than things. Obi Nate say on yes ade on yet. Now for unnecessary fame. Kwame Eugene winning artist of the year. If your matter. If your matter. That's what Obi Nate want talk Sonibadu. It be your matter. You know be your matter. Can't help those gospel artists with them day underground. No? You go do feature plus them so that Nyame almost set up a fun you now society and things. You go do body be crana, you see you crana. Somebody you be cry back to Swally, you be giant. That's what Obi Nate want talk. Because this music industry inside, the gospel music industry inside, no, we dey see Obi and you see Obi name Sonibadu. We dey see him like Sack Stoneboy Dems because he raised that bar because of two because started acting. That's what Obi Nate want talk. You see, so that's what Obi Nate he can't explain himself plenty way they laugh and things. But make I come Sonibadu in top again. Sonibadu, you know you be senior man. You know say you do things where plenty people where them did the music industry for gospel side and they not do. I should say if you take Obi Nate advice, are you good? Because those secular music, because if someone they do secular music, someone they do gospel, if all for day or lane, you all for day or lane and things. So those music stars where them day down, where them be gospel artists, you so anybody for help them. If you help them, if you not there the UK there anything there you go see there, you talk about them. Go help those guys, go congratulate them, motivate them do things, give them, make we hear more music for the industry inside, for the gospel side. That's what I want to talk you. So anybody, if you advise with me flamboyant, and they give Ghanaians to talk plenty. Ghanaians talk plenty. You go social media, it be bunch. But me, I go talk. Where me to have my please give Ghanaians. So anybody. But he start talk something. He tells me, Jesus no give attention, give what be that name? You know give attention, give people. You know give attention, give people. So you know give me attention, give Obi nothing. You know give attention, give Obi nothing. Why you for reply him? It be yawa big time. Why you for reply him? If I don't reply him, because the reply when you reply him, you say you demand him. You about the reply when you reply him, say you demand him. So when you say one fina, men trust you. What about Instagram? What post you? What trust be brave at all? Because when I over say you, they say how to do this about town. Charlie, if you do your something and do. Jesus Nedino, ya the young man be brave. You do to one bonnet, ya the young man be brave. What I say? You go for the bomb pie, you go for a dinner, holy name. So if you do your something, they can talk your something now. Make you know that Jesus Christ, the man, Jesus Christ's name. Because Christians no boost you know. Christians the man name no. That a dinner boy now according to Christianity no. So me part I dey beg so anybody. If you do something, I make no mention Jesus Christ. If you follow him for your faith, your heart, your this one. Make you know they come at a plus certain things. You dey more way people know they respect Christianity than things. But Christianity, if you love all the religions, if you say then they won't divide that than things. But real love, no, it depend on Christianity. That's what I want to talk. I go by the name Flamboyant Lifestyle. Make sure so you go subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you want too much GH, it be the most important thing for do. Because anything there will be yawa. Me Flamboyant, never be come can obi obeka bia onka ni. But me na me can na to asum ka gani ai. Ya nkuri ko subscribe. Click subscribe na be na ya you make a daddy. Mumbaka call me wallahi. Ka gani ai. O fine subscribe. O fine. Subscribe to too much GH. O fine wa subscribe. Go subscribe. O you me share. O fine. You go laugh, then you go feel say Charlie, you dey tear celebrity yawa. That be what I want to talk you. Make love lead, that be the key, and that be the answer. Stay blessed.
The major prophet kum chacha. On say me catch was say, Bomaden na she too much GH. On say me kan ye nyane, bonne pa na kase pe wo wi ase ya asondin. Asondin ti na Adam, wo hu nyame ye no nyame no. Wo hu ne ma bi a wo hwehwehwehwe. Ewo other place ni ade cat won na bomode na behwe too much GH behwe na subscribe bomode o behwe pe na wa ye subscribe o subscribe subscribe na subscribe na o subscribe a na wo benya ne ma pe a wo pe ne ma papa a wo pe ahwe nyame shira